Hi, I'm Mike, and this is Celeste, and I'm here today to talk to you about a procedure that's really changed my life. It's the CaverStem procedure, and I needed to look into doing this because as I aged at 50, I noticed I wasn't performing like I should, and so I was looking for something. One day at lunch, some coworkers and I were talking, and one of them mentioned a stem cell procedure for a health problem that she was having. So that got me thinking, and I got online and started doing research and found CaverStem. And so I made a few calls and talked to one of the doctors, and he said I was a very good candidate for this procedure and that it was something that would help. So after describing it in detail and really helping me understand the actual procedure and how it works, I decided that this was something I really wanted to try. So I made arrangements and went down to the clinic and had the procedure done. So when I went to get the procedure done, it was all very well explained to me. We filled out paperwork, and basically it was a very simple procedure. It's very painless, and it was a very quick process with no downtime. It's amazing. At 3 weeks, we started to notice a difference, and at 3 months, it's just incredible the changes that have taken place. So I've been able to enjoy lovemaking, and we both have totally enjoyed it so much more than we ever did before. So I can perform and stay hard longer and not have to worry about losing it before we finish, and the lovemaking is just improved. Our intimacy is improved. Our relationship is just way better than it's ever been. So I would totally recommend this to anybody. And if you're a guy out there that has an ED issue, don't be afraid to do your research, do your homework, go to the CaverStem.com website and find out what this procedure is, and it'll help you too, just like it did me. Thanks, CaverStem.
Thanks, CaverStem.